This is a review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max 256 gigabytes in natural titanium finish that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to go in depth about it, show you guys the features about it, and compare it from the previous generations of iPhones I had. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we're gonna open this up and show you guys what you get inside the package. And right from here, you see the iPhone 16 Pro Max in a natural titanium finish. It looks really beautiful and amazing. I'm gonna pull this thing out and show you guys what you get inside of this. So when I pull this out, so let's gently and carefully take this out just like that. And it comes with the plastic, the adhesive that you remove right over here, and I'm taking this off. And you can see here it's in a beautiful finish that you can see right over here, natural titanium. Underneath here is your MagSafe USB charger. You can use this to pretty much charge it up as well too. And you can use it, so it's like the USB where you pretty much do that. And then right here you get the instruction manual guide, the iPhone Apple instructions, and right from here that's pretty much it to the package. So that you get all this, so you just get the iPhone itself, and then you get the USB charger that comes with supplied. And now, without going further, let's set this thing up and show you guys, all the features about it and more in detail about this iPhone 16 Pro Max natural titanium finish. Okay, so I got everything set up now, and this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max natural titanium. So we have everything set up. Now let's talk about the main stuff about this and go more in depth about it. So one of the first things I do want to say about this iPhone is that it's super lightweight as compared to the 15 Pro Max. I feel like the 15 Pro Max is a little bit of a heavier side, but not too much. You can relatively tell. But not just that, but I noticed the camera quality is significantly more better than the 15 Pro Max, and I'll tell you why. It's because this, the 16 Pro Max it shoots up to a 4K FPS 120 versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max shoots up to 4K FPS 60. And I noticed that there's quite a bit of difference when I put the camera quality, turn the camera on and then pretty much record. Like you see here, like I'll show you guys a little demo. You can see here that the quality, the videos doesn't do the justice on how beautiful this 16 Pro Max case, the phone itself, the quality is really amazing. And you can see here, like, everything's very, crystal clear and sharp. The camera quality is really a sharp quality. And I am currently, if I go onto video, like you see here, it's at 4K 30, and I could change that up to 4K FPS 120, and it looks really beautiful when you start recording. It doesn't do the justice on how, I can show you guys a little bit more. It really is a beautiful camera lens, and I do see a difference if you compare it to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, because the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it also is beautiful too, but this one, I see it's much of a more like a brighter side. Like everything's more bright and it's more crystal clear. And this is overall a brilliant, the colors are really beautiful when I shoot. The camera quality, if I go to cinematic, it goes really beautiful as well too, like in a movie or something like that. But let's talk about more of the stuff about this iPhone 16 Pro Max. So not just that, but I have everything set up, all of the main apps that I got. I do notice that this is a little bit more faster than the 15 Pro Max. And when I pretty much go on like Safari and I Google, then it goes really fast like compared to the 15 Pro Max. And then, it comes with all the standard features, the calculator, we have all that stuff. But nonetheless, I feel like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I would definitely recommend the iPhone 16 Pro Max if you're looking for a phone that pretty much is like a game changer of your experience of using an iPhone. Or if you own a previous generation iPhone like the 13 Pro Max, the 12, the 11, or the 10, then this is a big upgrade compared to the previous generations. And I would definitely recommend this iPhone because, I myself own an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm currently using that. And I do see a slight difference, not a big major difference, but the slight difference is also a way where it looks even like when I'm recording it, I could tell very well when I compare both of them that it really is a sharper quality as compared to the 15 Pro Max. I know the 15 Pro Max is a little bit more dimmer, on the dimmer side, but when I compare with the 16 Pro Max, the camera quality is more brighter. Everything's more color, clear. It looks beautiful, and I would definitely recommend the iPhone 16 Pro Max because it just looks beautiful, especially in the natural titanium finish. It looks really outstanding. The 3 camera lens that you see here, it comes the same thing just like with the 15, but overall it really is a probably one of the best iPhones you could get, and I would definitely recommend the 16 Pro Max if you're wanting to upgrade. Then this is by far one of the best upgrades because, if you're comparing it with the 15 Pro Max, the 15 Pro Max, this one is a 6.9-inch screen, and it is significantly a little bit more bigger than the 15 Pro Max. And the camera quality, you do see an improvement when you start recording. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes, natural titanium finish.